And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. We got good news, we got bad news, and we have expensive news. I have to pay a service invoice that is the most expensive repair bill I've ever had to pay on any car in my entire life. And guess what? It's not the Bugatti, but we're back. Now, we're not gonna let that bad news ruin our day because it's a good day, it's a gorgeous day. The Ferrari 458 Liberty Walk, it's been at the paint shop, it's done. We're gonna go get it right now. It's not a Ferrari, it's a Lamborghini. Lamborghini. La Ferrari is cool. La Lamborghini. And on cue, check that out. It looks so good. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. That purple looks so good. And the new hood is looking incredible. Also, check out this Mark IV Supra. That thing is so... I don't know if you guys could hear that. That was my soul leaving my body. The Mark IV Supra though is looking so sick. Wow, I just destroyed. That was bad. That was so bad. I got so excited. I knew it was gonna happen, but there was like nothing I could do. I have a front end. Wow, okay. It was an exciting day. Like I said, it's a sad day. Now, I know sometimes I can be cringy to watch on camera, but that's what makes me me, right? Now, we're being overly dramatic. The splitter is totally fine. It's fine, right? It's fine. I'm not even gonna look. I don't even wanna know. Now, you guys know I love bacon, but unfortunately, or fortunately you might say, the bacon days are no more. The Liberty Walk Ferrari 458, the new Darwin Pro hood, looks so good. This car is so crazy, like the color wheel going on, the Viola Stratife, you might say, all the glass on this thing looks absolutely crazy. And check it out, the bacon fenders are no more. Now I know I can see you guys typing away, where are the wheels? I know there's been a long, arduous process. The wheels have been cut this week at Vorsteiner. They should be here momentarily. I realize I've been saying that for a long time, but trust me, they're gonna be here. Also, on my Mark IV Supra, we have major upgrades coming very, very soon. This car is so clean. So after Africa, we're doing the manual swap and we're doing additional power as well. Cannot wait for that build to progress. So we're gonna hop in the 458, we're gonna hop in the event store, and we are headed that way. Well, we've reached Luke's favorite portion in the vlog. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Big time.
This one.
You see, you think you're a Porsche guy, but you know you love Lambos. You're a Lambo guy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Your jacket even matches the car. Well, in the state of Utah, it is finally convertible season. I love this car so much. This car this summer is gonna be so sick. All right, so we are headed home, and then I don't know what. This is not a good start. I know we're gonna scrape. I know. Oh, we're good. We're good. What? When Luke drove the car here, he scraped and I didn't. Wow, I love this car so much. It's so good. It's so good. And the Aventador. This is such a great one-two car. I'm telling you, Luke's a Lambo guy. He thinks he wants a GT3. He wants an Aventador. Bro, you need a Lamborghini. You love it. It's your favorite and you know it. Luke, kingdom come. He might be done. Don't go to jail. That's not good. That cop is following so close. Oh, he's good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. How does this keep happening? No. He deserves to go to jail. He thinks it's funny. He does. This car is so good. This sounds so good. Bro, calm down. No. This guy, you gotta love him. Don't do it. Don't do it. I got. Yeah, this is getting completely out of control. First the Corvette, and now the Aventador. You're gonna go to jail. I cannot lose you.
I'm just trying to make cool videos.
Is that what you're doing? Oh, that's what
somebody knows? I don't know.
Is that what you're gonna tell company pulls you over? If I lose you, how are we gonna film? You're my cameraman.
Yeah, who's holding the camera? You always hold the camera. I'm just the guy in the back that makes dumb
jokes. If you go to jail, I will bail you out. eventually. And on that bombshell, today's video has been sponsored by Simply Safe. You guys know Simply Safe. You guys know I love Simply Safe, and that's because I use it every single day. At some point during the day, I access the live feed from my cell phone from the Simply Safe security cameras to make sure that my cars are safe, that Oscar is safe, that my house is safe. Whatever it is that is important to you, let Simply Safe help protect, especially before it's too late. I personally set up my Simply Safe home security system all by myself. It took me about 30 minutes. I didn't have to pay some professional, and Simply Safe is monitored by professionals 24/7. In the event of a security breach, the police are going to be called immediately. Now, I have Simply Safe smart security devices located throughout my entire house, and one of my personal favorites is their brand new outdoor camera. It shoots in a really wide 140-degree field of view and in 1080p HD resolution, and I can access the live feed from that camera on my cell phone from anywhere in the entire world to make sure the Urus, the 458, the Aventador, and the Gladiator are safe. I also really love the Simply Safe smart doorbell camera. When UPS drops off a package, I can access the live feed on my cell phone to see who's there. Now, you can get started with Simply Safe for less than $1 a day, and you can save 20% and get your very first month free by signing up for an interactive monitoring plan. Just simply visit simplysafe.com/stradman to learn more. I legit can't get over how sick this 458 is. Like, I'm falling in love with this car so fast. Now, we're putting the 430 challenge on the wall at the new house, and I joked about painting it purple with white wheels. The more I look at this Viola Parsife, the more I think we should do it. I know this is kind of sort of an unexpected sequence in the vlog, but we have some cool house updates that you guys just have to see like right now. And when I say exciting house updates, I mean like really, really exciting house updates. Okay, I mean they're exciting, but they're not that exciting, but they're exciting. Now we're here on the side of the house because we have some very exciting news. I'm never gonna be able to make that gap though, because check it out, ladies and gentlemen. We have a full staircase from the main garage down to the back cave. We should test the structural integrity of it. This is post-lunch. No issue whatsoever. Oh, yes, 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 yes. That staircase is sick. I could have made that gap, by the way.
No.
We switched to the other side of the house. I know my audience they're big beam guys. They love beams. We got the most beautiful beams you've ever seen, all the way from the beautiful state of Oregon. Like, that lumber is Oregon grown. I'm nearly certain of it. Now, we really don't have like a ton more updates here at the house. We have some new plumbing lines right here. We got cold water, we got hot water. But every time we come here, we just gotta check out this view because this view is so incredible. Just imagine in the future, 458 C8 Corvette, and of course, the Lamborghini Countach. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I still own that car. I've never driven that car, but we have a very, very, very expensive update. That's right. This thing is so sick. 1 of 20 in the entire world. Driving's looking pretty good too. Nothing like the fresh air and the smell of gasoline and the baby Countach. I can't get over how fast this thing is. It's so sick. Oh, this is the coolest car I have, honestly. Look how jealous Luke is, bro. Get yourself a Countach. Now, unfortunately, when I say I've received the most expensive repair bill of my entire life, and it's my Countach, it's not the baby Countach, it's my actual Countach. No, no, no. No, you're not. No, you're not. Oh, geez. Whoa. What? No way. No way. Let's go. What? He's like, who is that guy? He's like LeBron James's cousin. We've had some pretty cool groups of cars on the channel before, but this collection right here, especially with this LaFerrari, the more and more I look at this car, the more and more I realize we need one of these on the channel. The Aventador is always looking so good. The Murcielago, the 458, the Urus, but unfortunately here at this house, we don't have the roof shot like we do. Look at Luke. Bro, stay hydrated. But look at that view. It's so sick, dude. Summertime is here sooner than you think, but we gotta talk Countach because unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to pay you this month because
You haven't been
I'm just kidding. Yes, I have. I haven't paid Luke on time every time except for that one time, but we don't talk about the one time. Now I realize there's probably a lot of you guys that don't even realize I own a 1987 Lamborghini Countach 5000 QV. So I bought the car about a month and a half ago in Miami, Florida. We are Curated, and when I bought the car, it needed a lot of love, a lot of TLC, a lot of mechanical issues, and so John Tamarin, he quoted me to fix the car at around $60,000 in change, and then just yesterday, I finally got the official quote, the official cost to repair the car, get the car drivable so we can drive it back to Utah in about a month and a half. Now the total cost is by far and away the most expensive repair bill I've ever received in my entire life. The Veyron, I think the most expensive was like $33,000. So the Countach, when it's all said and done, this invoice alone is $50,000, 722. I'm trying to figure out exactly where to even begin on this invoice. They are going through everything on my Countach. Grand total, $50,722.86. Now the goal for this car is to make it a driver's car that I can drive whenever I want, super reliable, not just around town, but across the country. That's right, you keep shaking your head, yes, because when it's done the 1st of May, we're driving it back to Utah.
You mean you're driving back to
No,
Utah?
I mean you and me, like together, we both are.
I'm sick that week, bro.
No, actually, I talked to your wife.
What?
You're totally fine that week.
No, I'm not.
Unlike the Supra, when you left me for dead. How could you do me dirty
That's
like
sick,
that?
bro.
Anyways, Luke doesn't. We gotta talk about that off camera. So yeah, they're going through the entire Countach. The engine's coming out. They're replacing the clutch, the gaskets, the AC, the ignition system, like every single item on the car. So come the 1st of May, we're gonna have a double white Lamborghini Countach, and we're driving it from Miami, Florida, here to Salt Lake City, Utah. And one last thing. So John Tamarin at We Are Curated has a YouTube channel. They're actually gonna chronicle the entire restoration process. It's gonna be super cool to see all the details. John is like the smartest dude I've ever met when it comes to anything Italian, anything classic, anything Lamborghini. If you guys have not checked out his channel, I'm gonna link in the description below. Go check it out. This car, I'm so excited. Like a Lamborghini Countach is one of my all-time favorite cars. When we were in Miami in January, I couldn't actually drive the car because of fuel leak. So come the 1st of May, we're gonna be taking delivery, we're gonna be driving across the country, and I'm gonna be driving the car for the very first time. I cannot wait. And on that bombshell, today's video is over. Out of absolutely nowhere, quite possibly, maybe, the coolest, most gorgeous human in the entire world. But bro, why are you driving this car? The last time we saw you, you did a fat burnout. This is the sequel? This is not a good sequel. They always say the original is better than the sequel. What is going on? Really?
This
Bro,
one's a little more quiet,
we're
bro.
going to Africa.
Hey, Josh,
we're going
will
to
you rev it?
Kilimanjaro.
In like a week.
Yeah, could you give us a quick rev?
Just rev it up, rev it up.
Okay, you guys ready? Hold on, hold on. Hold on.
But actually, this sequel is awful.
There it is, it's to the floor.